let's make some spaghettata. This recipe comes from Rita Prisco. I found her last night, and she said that she cooks old school Sicilian food that you're not going to find in a restaurant, and she's absolutely fabulous. You know, I will have her tag below. First thing you're going to need is some olive oil. She said, don't be afraid to put this in here. You're going to coat the pan. This is basically going to be the sauce. So I'm going to put a shit ton in here. And I know I'm about to freak everybody out, but now we're going to put anchovies. And look, y'all, I love anchovies. I know y'all are going to come for me for that. I love them, so you didn't have to talk me into this. I'm going to put 4 directly into the oil. She said you're going to cook these until they melt. I went and read her comments, and somebody asked if you could use anchovy paste, and she said that would be fine. She also said that this is a meal that Sicilians cook when they're tired and they don't feel like cooking. Guess what? I'm tired, and I don't feel like cooking. While this is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and put on 1 pound of spaghetti noodles to cook. Make sure and salt your water really well. Now we're going to add a shit ton of garlic. She said a lot of garlic, so hers looked like it was sliced up, so I'm just going to use my cheese grater's slicing attachment and slice it directly into the pan. All right, now I'm only going to cook the garlic for a couple of minutes. You don't want it to burn. Now I'm going to add 20 ounces of cherry tomatoes. That's 2 of these containers. Now, as soon as your tomatoes start cooking, you want to go ahead and start mashing them, get them all mashed up really well. Now that my tomatoes are all mashed up and I got this simmering good, we're going to add a little bit of salt, not too much because the anchovies are real salty, crushed red pepper, and black pepper. Probably a good bit of it. All right, now let this simmer on low. I would say probably 10 to 15 minutes. It should be good. And I do have to tell y'all, this smells delicious. Y'all, look how pretty this sauce is. And I know I said this already, but it smells really good. All right, I have my spaghetti noodles in a bowl. She used a real fancy wooden bowl. I'm using my vintage Tupperware popcorn / vomit bowl. I have my sauce directly off the heat. I'm going to pour it over the noodles. Y'all be careful doing this part. And then I have fresh basil and fresh parsley that I chopped up. We're going to throw that in there. And now we're going to toss it together, okay? Listen, I don't make the rules, but before you toss anything with your tongs, you have to tap them together twice. Here it is, all mixed together. Give us just a minute. And me and Bubba are going to do a taste test. He says this smells really good. He's excited. All right, here is our dinner bowls. I topped mine with some shaved Parmesan. All right, let's go. Delicious. That is so good. Oh my God. And I do want y'all to know that I did not purposely wear these tomato earrings. It just worked out. All right, y'all. Thanks for coming to my fake cooking show. Bye.